So this is how you're going to set up your own MCP server and connect it to Cursor. This is ideal if you need full control over logic and want to host the server outside of Cursor. First, create your server using Node.js, Flask, or any lightweight backend framework. On this one, I used Node.js. Define clear endpoints, for example, /getData or /submit form, and structure your input and output using JSON. Now head to your Cursor project, open the backend area, and click Add External MCP Server. Paste the base URL of your self-hosted server and then name this, and then click or choose the type of this and then hit on save. Now Cursor will then ask for endpoint definitions. You can either manually define them or upload a Postman collection to speed things up. Make sure your server supports CORS so Cursor can connect. After that, use Cursor's visual builder to connect UI components to your new MCP server. This means your app's buttons, forms, or sliders can all trigger real server logic you've written. Test your setup by submitting real data through the Cursor frontend. Use the Preview tab to see live responses and debug easily. As you can see here, I used 8 and 24 in addition. This is the prompt that I use. I'll use the MCP underscore add tool to calculate this sum. And that's how you set up your own MCP server and connect it to Cursor. You get the flexibility of your own backend with the ease of Cursor's no-code frontend.